Welcome back to Abyssale 101. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work with groups and auto layout in the Abyssale editor. These powerful features help you organize your design elements and create perfectly aligned content with minimal effort. By the end of this video, you'll be creating professional layouts that automatically adapt when you modify your designs. Let's dive in. First, let's open a design to work with. I'll select this design and open it in the editor. Now, let's select multiple layers we want to organize. You can select layers by clicking while holding the Shift key, or by clicking and dragging to create a selection box around them. Once you've selected multiple elements, notice the combined selection box that appears around them. This indicates you're working with these elements as a unit. Now, look at the right side of your interface. You'll see the Group Position panel, which lets you position your selected elements relative to your workspace. While selecting multiple elements is useful for quick adjustments, creating an actual group gives you even more control. On the right panel, you'll see the Create Group button. When you click this button, Abyssale combines your selected elements into a single group that you can manipulate as one unit. Now, when you select the group in your Layer panel, all elements in that group are automatically selected. The real magic happens when you enable Auto Layout. You now have powerful controls to determine how your elements interact with each other. Direction. Choose whether elements flow horizontally or vertically using the arrow icons. Gap. This setting determines the space between elements in your group. Alignment. The grid of dots on the right lets you determine how elements align within the group. These settings make it incredibly easy to create responsive designs that maintain their structure even when content changes. Watch what happens if I modify the title to make it longer. The elements below automatically move down to accommodate the new text length. This is particularly useful when generating variations with different text lengths or creating designs for multiple formats. And there you have it. With auto layout, you'll spend less time adjusting elements and more time bringing your creative vision to life. If you found this helpful, check out our other tutorials covering Abyssale's powerful creative automation features. And remember, you can always access help documentation directly in the platform by clicking on Help and Getting Started in the Abyssal dashboard. See you in the next tutorial.